Hello, this is Dr. Janet Six, Senior Product Manager at Tom Sawyer Software. In today's video, we're going to show how to use sorted path analysis in Tom Sawyer Perspectives. The sorted paths analysis calculates all of the paths from a specified start node to a specified finish node. Then the paths are sorted by their cost, starting with the shortest path. The cost of a path is the sum of the edge costs plus the sum of the node cost, not including the start and finish nodes. The edge costs can represent distance, time, tolls, or other factors related to a particular use case. If edges have different cost values, a path that uses more edges or nodes may be less expensive than a path that uses fewer but more expensive edges or nodes. Use cases for sorted path analysis include logistics planning, message routing in computer networks, and redundancy planning in telecommunication networks. Today, we will look at using sorted paths for logistics planning. In this example application, we see two map views with nodes representing several countries and edges representing the distances between them. The map view on the left shows shortest path, and the map view on the right shows sorted paths. In order to see more details about this node, we can select, right-click, and choose Show Details in order to bring up an inspector view for this node. And here we can see information such as the name of the location and the coordinates of the location. In a similar way, we can see details for the edges. And edge costs are the distances between the two cities. Now we are going to apply both shortest path and sorted path analysis to this graph. First, we are going to select Iceland, right-click, and set as start node. Then we're going to select Slovakia, right-click, and set as finish node. And then we select the shortest path icon on the toolbar. And here are our results. We see the shortest path between Iceland and Slovakia highlighted on our graph with yellow edges. And we see the length of the shortest path in the tree view here. Now we are going to apply sorted paths analysis in the map view on the right side of the application. The sorted paths algorithm calculates all of the paths from a specified start node to a specified finish node, and the paths are sorted by their cost, starting with the shortest path. Therefore, we see the same path highlighted in both the shortest path and sorted paths map views at first. However, in logistics, sometimes we are not able to take the shortest path. For example, if there is construction or bad weather, so we need good alternatives. In the sorted paths view, we're going to click on the right arrow icon in the toolbar in order to see the next shortest path. And we keep iterating through the sorted paths until we find a good path that has gone around our obstruction. And as we can see here, we have found a good alternative path so we can get around the obstacle without adding too much additional distance to our journey. Now we open the application in Perspectives Designer so we can see where the sorted paths analysis was added to the application. Here is where we define the graph to be used for the analysis. Often this graph is a subset of the larger graph model. And here is where we specify that we wanted to add sorted paths analysis to this application. Perspectives includes a suite of graph analysis algorithms. In today's video, we discuss the benefits of sorted paths analysis and how to use it. Thanks for joining us. Contact Tom Sawyer Software today to start your free trial of Tom Sawyer Perspectives.